ये बहुत ही शुभ दिन है। जैसे हमारे रोटेरियन डॉक्टर साहब ने यहाँ से हालांकि गवर्नेंस को लेके जो हम लोगों को जज लगाने जो मौका दिया, उस हम सदा आपके संस्था के हेलो जल, आज के दिन जल ही जीवन है। हमारा रोटरी का एक उद्देश्य है कि सभी को शुद्ध जल प्राप्त हो। आज लगा लो हम लोगों ने 5 स्कूल रोटरी क्लब ऑफ सिलीगुड़ी उत्तरायण में एडॉप्ट किए हुए हैं। हमारी सबसे पहले प्रायोरिटी रहती है कि वहाँ वाटर कूलर लगाया जाए, जिससे बच्चों को और बड़ों को सबको शुद्ध जल प्राप्त हो, जिससे उसका स्वास्थ्य भी ठीक रहे और आगे छोटे बच्चे जो हैं उनका भविष्य बढ़िया रहे। और रोटरी के बारे में मैं आपको कुछ बताना।
Respected members and other portfolio holders of this club, officers and friends from CRPF campus. I was going through contribution of Rotary towards social service, and it is very heartening to tell all of you that Rotary is touching a membership of around 1.5 million worldwide, has got around 55,000 or such clubs, and this Uttarayan is also one of such clubs. And this polio eradication was certainly and will always be one of the greatest achievements towards the service of mankind. Without your involvement, because you have to reach the last person on this globe when it comes to eradication of disease like polio and in present situations like COVID. So we need a network of dedicated people like you. Apart from this polio eradication, we know that you have been involved all throughout the world in social upliftment, in education of children, in environmental protection, and not many other those things. I know that all the members of this esteemed group club are associated, rather they are professionals. They are masters in their field, they are engineers, they are doctors, professionals, business persons, and who are doing so good in their own profession, in their own personal and professional life, and you are devoted precious time towards upliftment of society. This small contribution from your side, it has heartened all of us, and we will certainly remember you, and it will be a token start of our association of CRPF with Rotary Club. We will take it further, and let us come together and let us, how the present situation, present challenge that the entire humanity is facing, the pandemic of COVID, let us do something for the society. And Honorable Prime Minister of India yesterday, he has called upon society and particularly people like us to spread the message of awareness how to protect ourselves from COVID. And these 3 things again: sanitizers, use of sanitizers, and social distancing, and mask. So this message we have to spread to the last person of the society, and we will come together in this endeavor. I thank all of you for taking time and thinking of us, thinking of CRPF, and with this start, we welcome you to be part of our CRPF as well. Thank you very much, and Godspeed.
To all of you. Sir, I am really thankful to you that you have given permission to our club to install one water cooler here. And I am thankful to Dr. Kaushik Bhattacharya sir also, Rotarian, sorry, exactly, and Dr. Kaushik Bhattacharya also. Sir, our Rotary is associated with many services of society, but from 2014 we are looking to serve for the paramilitary forces, sir. Sir, by fortunately this year we have got the chance just due to the doctor's work. I am really thankful to you. And sir, this water cooler has been donated by one of our Rotarian friends, Rotarian Sunil Maheshwari. I am thankful to him also that for his kind donation. No sir, and sir, this is the sixth water cooler which we are going to install, which we have given in Aborted Protocol. I am thanks to all of you present here for members and all the officers. Thank you.